Greetings, Professor McGee here with another quick Excel tip your finance professor wishes you knew. In this video, you'll learn how to use the nominal function in Excel to find the nominal or APR rate that is equivalent to an effective rate. In any intro finance class, you will need to be able to convert between nominal or APR rates and effective rates. We professors are going to test you on those directly. We're also going to create questions where that conversion will be a necessary first step to arriving at the final answer. If you want to ace those questions, or at least ace that first step, this video is for you. I prepared a question right up here asking for us to find the equivalent APR, nominal rate, to an annual effective rate. Now, to get started for any question like this, it's best for us to take this verbal description and put down the necessary characteristics that we know down here. So we are looking for the nominal rate. B6 will be left blank. B7 stands for our periods per year. We know that this is, we're looking for an APR compounded monthly, and there are 12 months per year, so this is going to be 12. Effective is our effective rate. We are given that the effective rate is 6.8%, so we're going to put in 0.068. Now we go up to nominal at B6, we type equals nominal, and we need to enter in effect underscore rate, that just stands for the effective rate, so the 0.068 we just put in, and N per Y, which stands for number of periods per year. This is the number of compounds in the APR. We are looking for an APR compounded monthly, 12 periods per year that we put in. And our nominal rate that's equivalent to the 6.8% annual effective rate is 6.6%. So this is an APR compounded monthly. Now, if we want to be a little fancier, use better Excel practices, and most importantly, be able to take this file and reuse it for future questions, we can use cell references. So instead of me entering the interest rate and the number of compounds per year directly, I will tell Excel what cell to reference. So for effective rate, I need to do B8. And for a number of periods, I need to do B7. And as you can see, I still get the same exact 6.6%. And now I can change the type of APR I'm looking for, change by changing the number of periods per year. Or if I have a different annual effective rate, I can change this and my answer will immediately update. So for instance, let's say it's now at 7.2% instead of 6.8. My nominal rate will immediately jump to 6.97%. So if I have a new question with new interest rates, I don't need to type things into the function anymore. I can just update a single cell and it will give me the new correct answer. Now, do keep in mind one important caveat here. This function always gives us the equivalent nominal or APR rate to an annual effective rate. If a question gives us a different effective rate, we would have to do a conversion to the annual effective rate and then put it into the nominal function. I'll be covering how to do that in a different video. This one we are focused purely on just using the nominal function. And that video will be in this playlist and a link to it in this video description. So with this single function, we can now take any effective annual rate and find the equivalent nominal or APR rate that our professor might be throwing at you. If you found this video helpful, please comment to like and or subscribe so that other students can find it too. Happy studying.